hell is that big loser? We brought him to
Thorpe Park in the UK.
first punishment. Buddy, we want you to
Go and unscrew all the bolts on the rides. Oh, no, no, no. I don't want to. It can't be that dangerous. Guys, I really didn't want to do this, but it had to be done.
Just wanna stay in the sun where I find I know it's hard sometimes.